Myself, Dr. Vasudev Gurmale from Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the important chemical reactions of dienes. As already we have seen nomenclature of diene, what are dienes, and classification of dienes. As we know, dienes contains two carbon-carbon double bonds, and therefore diene is two. Dienes are there, and we have seen there are three types of dienes. One is isolated diene, conjugated dienes, and cumulative or the allyne dienes are there. So these three, depending upon the position of two double bonds, they are being classified into three types. And important methods of formation of dienes, that also we have been discussed in the last part. Now today we are discussing important chemical reactions of dienes. And in this case, as we know, the chemical reactions of dienes are exactly similar to that of the alkenes. And because two double bonds they are reacting separately, and because of that presence of two double bond, they are having the different reactivity. And also in case of 1,3-butadiene, we are discussing this reaction with special reference to the 1,3-butadiene first member of this alkadine or the dienes. And in this case we are discussing the reactions addition of halogen, addition of, that is the free radical addition, deal under important reaction, deal under reaction, and after that polymerization and the reduction. So these are the important chemical reaction. All these reactions we are discussing with reference to 1,3-butadiene in today's part. So today's topic is the dienes, and also this is the second part. And in this second part we are discussing important chemical reactions of diene, and these reactions are addition of halogen, free radical addition, deal under reactions, reduction reaction, and also polymerization. Different types of polymerization reactions are there. And as we know, in case of chemical reactions of dienes, in this case the chemical reactions of isolated dienes are exactly similar to those of the alkenes, because two double bonds react independently if they were present in the different molecules. However, in case of chemical properties of conjugated dienes, modified reactions are there due to mutual interaction of the two double bonds. Some of the important chemical reactions of the conjugated dienes we are discussing in today's part, and with reference to the particular reference to the 1,3-butadiene. And first reaction is the addition of halogens, and in case this is also known as electrophilic addition to the conjugated dienes. So in case of electrophilic addition to the conjugated diene, that is addition of halogen, this is the first reaction. And in this reaction, conjugated dienes such as 1,3-butadiene, when react with 1 mole of bromine, give the mixture of 1,2 or 1,4 addition product. And in this case, 1,4 addition product is the major one. So both we are getting here, products are 1,2 addition and the 1,4 addition product, but 1,4 addition product is the major product. So the reaction is shown here in the slide. This is the compound 1,3-butadiene, because double bond start from this carbon number 1. Here this carbon, the double bond start from 3. Therefore it is known as 1,3-butadiene. 4 carbons are there. So this is the important compound 1,3-butadiene, and when it reacts with the bromine, and here 1,2 addition is there. Bromine we are adding addition of halogen, and halogen is bromine. So 2 bromines, 1,2 addition. One bromine is here, second is here. So Br2 is added here, 1,2, and because of that here double bond, this double bond as it is, and here the addition is taking place 1,2. So Br, and this is Br. So these two bromine atoms are added on the 1 and 2 carbon. So here is one and second is here. So name of this compound is, we can give the number from this double bond carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 3,4 dibromo. 2 bromos are there. 3,4 dibromo 1 butene, and this is the 1,2 addition product. So this is 1,2 addition product. Now major product is the 1,4 addition. So now this bromine is added in carbon number 1 and 4. So one bromine is here and second is here. So 1,4. This is known as 1,4 addition product, and this is the major product. After adding, this double bond is shifted here because of the valency, and now see here, this is the we can give the number from this 1 2 3 4. So here 1 4 dibromo 2 butene. So in this way we get the two product, 1 2 addition and 1 4 addition, and 1 4 addition product is the major product in this addition of halogens. Second important reaction is free radical addition. Like electrophilic addition, conjugated dyes also undergo free radical addition reaction and give the mixture of again 1 2 and 1 4 addition product. So similar to electrophilic addition reaction, this conjugated dye also undergo the free radical addition reaction and give the mixture of 1 2 and 1 4 addition product. Again now this is the similar reactions as we have seen the addition of halogen. So here this is the 1,3 butadiene and this is the bromo trichloromethane. मीथेन का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, ये कार्बन और 4 हाइड्रोजन होते हैं, उसकी जगह 4 हाइड्रोजन की जगह 3 Cl है, 1 Br है, तो नाम ही इसका है ब्रोमो ट्राइक्लोरोमीथेन. When it react with this, so इसके दो पार्ट किए अपन ने, एक CCl3 और एक Br. जैसा अपन हेलोजन देखे थे Br, इसका एक पार्ट और ये दूसरा पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट इज 1 2 एडिशन 1 and 2. तो दिस Br CCl3 added to 1 and Br added to second. So here see, in this case this carbon and this carbon. So what is this? We get 1 2 addition. So this is the product obtained. This carbon have CCl3, second carbon have Br. So here CH2 and CH. So these two groups are added. CCl3 on this carbon and Br is on this carbon. So and so this is the 1 2 addition. और इसका नाम है 3 bromo 4 trichloromethyl 1 butene. So 4 carbons are there, 1 butene is there. But now what is 3 bromo? And this trichloromethyl, this is methyl, trichloromethyl 1 butene. This is 1 2 addition. Similarly now 1 4 addition can also take place, 1 and 4. So this CCl4 is added here, CCl3 and Br is added here. So 1 is added on this carbon and second is added here Br. So this is 1 4. This is 1 carbon, this is second. So here 1 this is 1 and this is, so this is 1 and this is 4. So 1 and 4. This is 1 carbon and 4 addition of these two, and we obtain 1 4 addition product. So the name of this compound is 1 bromo 4 trichloromethyl 2 butene. So this is the 1 4 addition. So in this way conjugated dyes undergo the free radical addition reaction and we get 1 2 addition and 1 4 addition. Again now 1 4 addition is the major product in this case. Third reaction is D-delta, very important reaction, and it is also known as cycloaddition reaction. And in this cycloaddition reaction we can say that one of the most important reaction of the conjugated dye is the D-delta reaction. It involves the concentrated addition of dienes, that is 4 pi electron system, to the dienophile, that is 2 pi electron system, and forming 6-membered cyclic alkene. As we know, dienophiles are ethylenic or acetylenic compounds which contain electron withdrawing groups. In other words, also we can say that dienophiles are alpha beta unsaturated acid, ester, anhydride, aldehyde, ketones, quinone, nitrile, quinones and nitro compounds. So these are the dienophiles are the alpha beta unsaturated acid, aldehyde, ketones, quinone, nitrile, quinone are nitro compounds. These D-delta reactions are also known as 4+2 cycloaddition reaction because they involve addition of 4 pi electron system to the 2 pi electron system. Again now important point here is that D-delta reaction normally do not require any catalyst and generally take place by heating. So these are cycloaddition reaction which is known as D-delta reactions are shown here. how the cycloaddition is taking place. So this is the 1,3-butadiene, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, 1,3-butadiene. This is the compound, and this is another acrolein, propane 2 in 1 Al. So this is aldehyde group present here, and known as the acrolein. Common name is acrolein. So in this case, now see this group joined here. Again now this group joined here, and these are the 4 carbon and these 2 carbon, 6 member ring here it get formed, and on this carbon there is a CH. This CH have, this CH group have CH group. So here is now, this is CH2, this is CH, here CH, because the double bond breaks and bond shifted here, so it become double bond. Again now here's this is the CH2 group here, and then CH, and then CH2, again CH2, and here this CH group have CH have the CH group. So this is the name of the compound is cyclohexene 4. Cyclohexene 4 cyclohexene 1 carbaldehyde. So in this way we can write the name of this compound. So 1,3-butadiene, when undergo the reaction with acrolein, we get 4 cyclohexene 1 carbaldehyde. Another reaction is there, similar type. Again now this is the 1,3-butadiene, और इसमें दिया है acrylonitrile, and similar component, only the in place of CHO there is a nitrile means CN, cyanoid group is there, CN group is here. So in the similar way, this bond shifted here, it joined here, in this way this gets joined here, and we obtain, here is a double bond now, and again now CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH, CN is there, similar to CHO. So similar type of reaction taking place, 4 cyclohexene, 1 carbonitrile. So in this way we obtain the product, and therefore it is known as, there is a formation of ring, and therefore it is known as cycloaddition reaction. So this is an important de-ladder reaction, and this de-ladder reaction does not involve ionic or full radical intermediate, and does not require any catalyst. So and is also insensitive to the polarity of the solvent. So this is the very important reaction, and the rate of de-ladder reaction are accelerated by the some factors are there, that is electron withdrawing group in the dienophile, presence of electron withdrawing groups in the dienophile. This is the factor which increases the rate of this reaction, and another factor is presence of electron donating group in the diene. So these two factors favors the reaction. So this is very important de-ladder reaction, also known as cycloaddition reaction, and we obtain the ring. So in this way we get these are the two reactions shown in case of de-ladder reaction. उसके बाद में है next time number 4, reduction reaction, and here reduction reaction means here the catalytic hydrogenation of the conjugated dienes give the mixture of 1,2 and 1,4 addition product. Again now 1,4 addition product is a major product. So in this case catalytic hydrogenation, so means addition of reaction with hydrogen. Hydrogenation means reaction with hydrogen, and this is the catalytic hydrogenation is a reaction which is known as here reaction is taking place. So see here the hydrogenation, catalytic, nickel is a catalyst, hydrogen is added now across double bond. So in this case one hydrogen is here, second here added. So see here one is here, second hydrogen added here, remaining it as it is. So name of this compound is butene 1-butene. So this is the 1-butene. In this way we get this type of compound. This is the minor, but major is 1,4 addition. This is 1,2 addition. Hydrogen is added, 1,2 carbon. Now 1 and 4. So 1 is here, second is here. So 1,4 addition is the major product. And this is the major product, and this is the minor. And this double bond shifted here because addition is taking place here. So this is the 2 products are here. 1,4 addition product is the major product, 1,2 addition product is a minor product. So there is a 2 types of addition is taking place. We get the mixture of 1,2 and 1,4 addition product. So 2 hydrogen when it reacts with the 1,3-butadiene, when react with the hydrogen in the presence of catalyst like nickel, then addition is taking place, and we get the mixture 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition. However, now here chemical reduction of 1,3-butadiene with sodium alcohol reagent give the mainly 1,4 addition product and forming the 2-butene or but2-ene, and in this case this is the 1,3-butadiene in the presence of sodium alcohol, and we obtain hydrogen get added here, one is added here and second is added here, and these become a double bond. So CH2 becomes CH3, here again CH2 becomes CH3 and double bond is here. So we mainly obtain 1,4 addition product to butene, or but means the butane to position, any position, double bond position is at the carbon 2. So in this way we obtain 2 butane. So these are the reduction reaction and catalytic hydrogenation of the conjugated diene give the mixture and 1,2 and 1,4 addition product. But 1,4 addition product is the major product in this case also in the catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Next, number 5 reaction is the polymerization reaction. And in case of polymerization reaction, as we know what is polymerization reaction. Poly means many, merization. It is the process of formation of polymer. And in case of substituted alkene or like substituted alkene, conjugated dienes also undergo free radical polymerization reaction and forming homopolymers as well as copolymers. There are two differences in the polymerization of diene as compared to the alkenes. And number 1, polymerization of diene can occur both by 1,2 and 1,4 addition. Polymerization of dienes can occur by 1,2 and 1,4 addition of the monomer through the mode of predominate. The polymers derived from conjugated dienes still contain double bond and hence show geometrical isomerism. Polymer derived from 1,4 addition of one monomer unit to another may give both cis and trans addition through the mode is prepared. So polymerization of butadiene in the presence of peroxide and a product of polymer in which 80% is the 1,4 addition and 20% is the 1,2 addition. Again now 1,4 addition is the major product and 1,2 addition is the minor product. So here one reaction is shown in this slide. This is the 1,3-butadiene again. They undergo the reaction with the in the presence of peroxide. Addition is taking place, 1,2 addition, and this is the minor 20%. So in this case this bond get break and here the chain is formed, undergo polymerization. This group is as it is CH2. This is n time, this group is repeated. ये ब्रैकेट दिखाया है इसमें, तो दिस इज ये जो डैश है इधर और दूसरा फिर दूसरा भी एक मॉलिक्यूल इसमें ज्वाइन होगा एंड वी गेट द पॉलीमर बिग मॉलिक्यूल. सो यहाँ से चेन लेंथ यहाँ से इधर ज्वाइन होते जाएगा और लॉन्ग चेन वी कैन गेट. This is 1,2 addition. Now in case of this 1,3-butadiene also give 1,4 addition, and in case of 1,4 addition we get cis and trans. Cis means two similar groups are present on the one side, or when they are present diagonally opposite side then it is a trans. So cis 1,4 addition is here. So in this case the this CH2 same compound here CH2 and carbon carbon double bond again now CH2 and here is CH and but here the chain is lengthening is taking place here. So here from this CH2 and from this CH2. So these two groups are on the one side. Similar groups are present one side. So it is a cis 1,4 addition. One is added here, second is added here. And in this case here is a 1,2 addition. But here is a 1,4 addition. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,2 addition. This is trans 1,4 addition. So one is here, fourth is here, but the positions are opposite. These two are opposite side. Therefore, it is a trans 1,4 addition. So this type of 1,3-butadiene undergo the polymerization and forming polybutadiene. So just like similar to ethylene, give the polyethylene. So 1,3-butadiene give polybutadiene. So butadiene is converted to polybutadiene. और ये ब्रैकेट दिया है, n times repeat होता है. This is one unit, this is another unit, this is repeat unit, and this is n time it is repeated. ये देखो तीनों भी, but this is the major product and this is the minor product. Some more reactions of polymerizations are given here, and in this case, as we have seen here that isoprene, like we have seen the polymerization, substituted dienes also undergo free radical polymerization and mainly by 1,4 addition and giving mainly the all trans polymer. So only the trans polymers are obtained, and for this reaction is shown here. This is the isoprene, structure of isoprene, and chemical name is a 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. It is 1,3-butadiene, but 2-methyl, which is known as common name is isoprene. This isoprene is a natural compound, rubber, which is a monomer after from the rubber tree. And as we know, this isoprene undergo the reaction in the presence of peroxide, and we get mainly the trans-polymer isoprene. Isoprene is converted into polyisoprene, but now trans, which is also known as gatta-pacha. Commonly, commercial name is the gatta-pacha. And so here addition is here CH3, then carbon-carbon double bond, and here CH2, C. So here CH3, C double bond is here, and here is the CH2. This is CH2. So one chain is lengthening is taking place from the CH2, another. So here from CH2 and CH2 in this way, and this is the trans addition, and this is repeated n times. So in this case, after polymerization, we get all trans polyisoprene. So this is shown in this way. This is the polymer. This is the repeating unit. This is the n time repeated. N may be 100, 1000, long chain, number of monomer. This repeat unit is there, and this is the bracket में जो दिखाया है वो n time repeat होता है. तो again now similar to isoprene, like isoprene, chloroprene can also be polymerized under free radical condition and give the neoprene. जैसा आइसोप्रीन रिएक्शन मिला था उसमें वैसा ही अपने को क्या मिलेगा अभी क्लोरोप्रीन, तो क्या मिलेगा पॉलीक्लोरोप्रीन. सो दिस इज इन प्लेस ऑफ CH3, सेम कंपाउंड है, सिर्फ इसकी जगह CH3 की जगह Cl है. इसका नाम है क्लोरोप्रीन, उसका नाम है केमिकल 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. इन प्लेस ऑफ पेरोक्साइड वी ऑब्टेन पॉलीक्लोरोप्रीन एंड कॉमन नेम इसका है नियोप्रीन. सेम फार्मूला है, बस यहाँ से क्या करना है CH2, यहाँ पे CH2, ये बॉन्ड इधर शिफ्ट हो गया डबल बॉन्ड, और यहाँ से डबल बॉन्ड थे दो वो ये हो गए ब्रेक, मतलब ये होगी क्योंकि इधर ये जॉइन होते जाएगा. दिस इज द वन रिपीट यूनिट. इट इज दिस यूनिट इज रिपीटेड n टाइम्स. So this is the compound known as polychloropene or neoprene. So chloroprene becomes now polychloroprene. So in this way we obtained the polymer, long chain compound or big molecule. And in the similar way now natural and synthetic rubbers are also there. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene, that is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, in which all the double bonds have cis stereochemistry. Addition occurs by head and tail, and isoprene unit is shown here. How the addition is taking place, head and tail. So this is the isoprene one molecule. This is another isoprene molecule, and here H for head, T for tail. This is head, मतलब जहाँ पे CH3 साइड है CH2 वो हेड, यहाँ पे भी ये हेड और ये टेल. So addition is taking place. So two molecules join together and we get polyisoprene. But this is the cis product and this is the natural rubber. So in case of natural rubber, isoprene is a natural compound and they join. See the molecules how they are joining. तो यहाँ पे देखो CH2, यहाँ से चेन चालू हो जाता है, फिर CH3, फिर C, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आ गया, और फिर CH और ये CH2, तो फिर यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो गया. देखो हेड टू टेल, तो ये इस टाइप से ज्वाइन होता है, तो फिर से हेड हेड ज्वाइन हो जाता है. देखो सिमिलरली CH3 और ये कंपाउंड है CH2, यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो गया, फिर CH3, फिर से यहाँ पे CH2 है, तो ऐसा ये कंपाउंड ऐसा रिपीट होते जाता है. ये टू मॉलिक्यूल ज्वाइन टुगेदर इन दिस वे, लार्ज नंबर मॉलिक्यूल ज्वाइन टुगेदर एंड फॉर्मिंग द लॉन्ग चेन पॉलीमर्स. सो दिस इज सिस पॉलीआइसोप्रीन. तो ये जैसा CH3 एक साइड में है, ये CH3, तो इस टाइप से है, इसको बोलते हैं आइसोप्रीन. एंड अनदर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ आइसोप्रीन undergo the reaction and undergo polymerization and forming polyisoprene. This is also polymer. So in this case all the double bonds have cis stereochemistry. The addition occurs by head and tail union of the isoprene unit as shown here in the slide. So head and tail combination is taking place and we get this type of compound. So here we get cis isoprene. So isoprene, these are the different polymerization reaction which are shown by the 1,3-butadiene compounds. So 1,3-butadiene have is a very important compound And in this case, in today's part, we have discussed the number of chemical reactions, 5 important chemical reaction of 1,3-butadiene. And in this case, first we have seen the addition of halogen, that is bromine. Then we have seen the free radical addition reaction. After that, we have seen the Diels-Alder reaction, which is also known as cyclization reaction, cycloaddition reaction. And after that, we have seen the polymerization reaction and reduction reaction. So all these are the important reaction, and we have discussed all these reactions with reference to the 1,3-butadiene important compound. So 1,3-butadiene also form copolymers and different types of polymers. We have seen natural rubber, isoprene, undergo polymerization forming polyisoprene. So all these are the important reaction of dienes, particularly 1,3-butadiene. And in today's part, we have seen all the important chemical reactions of 1,3-butadiene, and that is the simply dienes. So today we stop here, and in the next part we will discuss the another important compound which contain double bond or triple bond, that is alkynes.